How to use Deepseek to generate reports. To generate reports using a Deepseek, you can either use the interactive Deepseek chat interface for manual generation or the Deepseek API for automated data-driven report as well. If you want to use the chat interface, then this method is suitable for generating one-off report or outline, especially if you want to attach file like PDF or data sheet for the context as well. You could use the website version of it or you could use the app as well. If you're using app, you want to install and create your account as well. Next, you want to choose an appropriate model such as DeepSeek V3 default chat model or a DeepSeek R1 a reasoning specialist. Next, you have to enable the advanced feature. This is optional. You could do it or else you could just go ahead and and leave that as well. You could just go to the deep think section. You could enable this and then type in the prompt or type in or upload in the photo or any sort of document that you'd like to use to generate a report. And next, you want to type in the prompt that is, give me the report for these and that data. And you could also be specific. Now, if you're using AI regularly, then you need to be clear that your prompts are accurate and clear and understandable, and with that being said, you will be able to get or use DeepSeek to generate reports. So this way you'll have done it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.